In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Microsoft To Do. If your task lists are starting to pile up, creating a group is a quick way to bring order to the chaos. Think of a group as a simple folder that keeps related lists together, work projects in one place, travel plans in another, or school assignments neatly organized. You'll still keep your individual lists, but they'll live under a single label so you can find and manage them faster. Start by opening the Microsoft To Do app. When it loads, you should land on the main list screen, the place where you see items like My Day and all the lists you've already created, and this is your home base. If the interface looks a little different depending on your device, that's okay. The key is to make sure you're viewing your collection of lists, not a single list or a task detail. Now look to the bottom right corner of that list screen and tap New Group. On some devices, it may appear as a small folder icon with a plus sign, but it will be labeled clearly. The placement is intentional, so it's easy to reach with your thumb on mobile. If you don't see it immediately, give the screen a second to finish loading and avoid being inside a specific list. New Group only appears on the list's overview. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the group name. Type a name that clearly describes what will go inside, like work, personal, finance, or a project title. Short, consistent names make scanning faster. If you manage many areas, consider a naming pattern you can stick with, such as starting with a keyword or adding a short tag. You can even include an emoji for visual scanning if that helps you spot it at a glance. The goal is clarity, so choose something you'll recognize instantly later. When you're happy with the name, tap Create. In a moment, your new group will appear alongside your other lists on the main screen. That's it. The group is ready to help you keep related lists together so your workspace feels cleaner and easier to navigate. To recap, you opened the Microsoft To Do app, tapped New Group at the bottom right of the list screen, entered the group name, and then tapped Create. With just these simple actions, you've set the foundation for a tidier, more focused task setup. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra clarity that groups bring to your day.